Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to find a solution about LinkedIn, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here on this page you will enter to the window of LinkedIn. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone. You can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.